Have you ever pulled cookies out of the oven only to have them stick to the pan, bake unevenly, or leave you scrubbing burn-on messes afterward? The wrong bakeware can turn a relaxing baking session into extra work. If you're looking for a reliable baking set that covers almost everything you need, this one might deserve a spot in your kitchen. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ewfen baking sheet tray cooling rack with silicone mat set. This 9-piece bakeware set includes 3 stainless steel baking sheets, 3 cooling racks, and 3 reusable silicone baking mats in different sizes. It's designed for home bakers, busy families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants durable bakeware that makes cooking and cleanup easier. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One of the biggest advantages of this set is that everything works together. Instead of buying baking sheets, cooling racks, and silicone mats separately, you get matching pieces that fit each other properly. The stainless steel baking trays have a clean, polished finish that feels sturdy in your hands without being overly heavy. The rolled edges make them comfortable to hold, even while wearing oven mitts, and they feel much stronger than many thin baking pans that tend to flex under high heat. The cooling racks also sit securely inside the trays, making them useful not only for cooling baked goods, but also for cooking bacon, roasting vegetables, or letting excess oil drain from crispy foods. The silicone baking mats are another highlight. Rather than relying on disposable parchment paper every time you bake, these reusable mats provide a naturally non-stick surface that makes cookies, pastries, and other baked treats release easily. That means less waste, lower long-term costs, and much less frustration when delicate foods come out of the oven. Since the mats fit the trays well, everything stays in place while baking. In everyday use, this bakeware set performs exactly how most home cooks would hope. The stainless steel construction promotes even cooking, helping reduce hot spots that can leave one side of your cookies overdone while the other side remains undercooked. Whether you're baking chocolate chip cookies, roasting vegetables, making sheet pan dinners, preparing crispy chicken wings, or baking homemade bread, the trays feel dependable across a wide variety of recipes. The cooling racks are equally practical because they allow air to circulate underneath baked goods, helping cookies stay crisp instead of becoming soggy on the bottom. Cleanup is another area where this set makes life easier. The polished stainless steel surface doesn't hold onto food as aggressively as many cheaper pans, and when paired with the silicone mats, there's often very little residue left behind. Most messes rinse away quickly, and both the racks and silicone mats are simple to wash after use. Spending less time scrubbing pans means more time actually enjoying your baking. Of course, there are a few things worth mentioning. Since these are stainless steel rather than aluminum baking sheets, they may brown certain baked goods slightly differently depending on a recipe and oven settings. It may take a batch or two to learn how your favorite recipes behave. Also, while the polished finish looks great, you'll probably want to hand dry the trays after washing to help maintain their appearance over time. Compared to other bakeware sets in a similar price range from brands like Amazon Basics, Teamfar, or Wild One, the Ewfen set offers excellent value because it includes 3 matching baking sheets, 3 cooling racks, and 3 reusable silicone mats, all in one package. Many competing sets either leave out the silicone mats or only include 1 pan size, making this kit a more complete solution for everyday baking and roasting. Overall, the Ewfen baking sheet tray cooling rack set is a practical investment for beginners and experienced home bakers alike. It's especially well suited for families, holiday baking, weekly meal prep, and anyone replacing older non-stick pans with durable stainless steel bakeware. If you bake regularly and want a versatile set that simplifies both cooking and cleanup, this package delivers solid value. If this review helped you decide whether the Ewfen baking sheet set is right for your kitchen, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen product reviews, and check the link in the description for today's latest price and available discounts before they're gone.